My name is Petrocchi. I'm a physiotherapist and the owner of Swissphysio, Physiotherapy and Sports Injury Clinic. I just finished some video consultation for today again, and I'm planning to do some painting. So I thought I would like to share with you a little warming up routine to prepare the body for the task of painting. Painting is a whole body exercise. It's not just moving the brush or the roller at the end of the arm. Includes, we can put strain on the wrist, on the elbow, on the shoulder, on the trunk. If you need them to step up the ladder, we can have troubles on the knees, or if we're going to squat down and sit on the heels or on the handrest ladies, we may have troubles with our ankles. So a little bit of warming up is going to prepare the body and the brain for some unusual movement, and we should have less troubles, hopefully, after a long day of work and painting. And I'm going to show you as well then some other tips. I usually start from the shoulders. I roll the shoulder up and back, because we usually are down like this through the day, or a lot of people are. So at least opening up this way, activate the muscles in the back here. Even just 5 times would be enough. You can squeeze up your shoulders to the ears and let them go. Squeeze up, let them go. Squeeze up, let them go. 2 more. And the last one makes 5 and let them go. Okay? Then especially if I'm going to think about painting the ceiling, I want my neck to be warmed up a bit. So I'm going to tuck the chin in, and I think I want to go with the chin towards my breastbone and look down. Then I keep the chin in and I look back up and I look up to the ceiling. Then I make my neck long again, roll down and back up. Long neck and chin to the chest. And when I'm doing this, I can even open up my arms a bit. You may feel some creaking in your neck, but don't worry, you're not going to lose your head because of it. And relax. The next one, we drop the chin and we roll a little bit from side to side, like in a half moon. Again, try not to lift the shoulders to the ears, drop them down. And here we go. Now, the hand is going to be it's going to work quite hard, gripping the brush or gripping the roller. So you want to warm up the muscles. We can do simply open and close with this nice flashy green gloves, and we can add some movement of the arms as well and go in different directions. When you get tired, you shake them out. Close, unfold your fingers like this, open up and stretch out. Shoulders are moving down towards the bottom of the spine, away from your ears, and relax towards your chest. Open them up and relax. Remember, you want to warm up, you don't want to stretch out your body right now. Now think what kind of movement you're going to do painting. You can go up and down, or on the side, or down. So we prepare the body and the trunk with some rotation. So we want to move a little bit in 3Ds, and we go up to the ceiling, in front of us, or down. And when we go down, I unlock my knees and I try not to hang down like this, but I hold my stomach in and I make sure that I turn from my trunk. And relax. Get my hand at the bottom of my spine, I lift the chest and I arch back and back in the center. I want to send the breastbone up to the ceiling first, and then I try to arch to make a long line on my belly and back. Don't go with the knees forwards, there's no need, there's no use. And that's it. And if you want, if we go back, we can go on the side. And this is to prepare the muscles around here on the back. When they crump up, they can really then make your back seize up and you feel like you're stuck. Okay? And if you start to get nice and warm with the upper body, now we work with the lower part of the body. Put the weight on one foot, squeeze the back side, and you roll your ankle from side to side. You decide how many times, but at least 3. So again, it's a warming up, it's not an endurance training. Change. And change direction. And then you can squat a bit and squeeze stomach and back some. Drop the knees forwards and push with the feet into the floor and squeeze. So it's not that. Simply hold in, allow the knees to go forwards and squeeze, squeeze. Down, squeeze, squeeze. And then why not go up on the tiptoes and down. Up on the tiptoes. Tuck. 2 more. Squeaky shoes. Shake, shake, shake. It took so roughly 5 minutes and that's it. You should be able now, we're ready for some painting. Hope you're going to have a nice day and a nice results with your DIY. In the next little video, I'm going to show you what to do after you work out, after you DIY with some stretching. Have fun!